Hello Sleek Bill users, welcome to the Sleek Bill Knowledge Hub. In today's video, we'll learn how to allow a sales user to edit an invoice document. First, open your browser and go to www.sleekbill.in. Click on the Login button at the top right corner. Now, log in using the sales user email and password and click on the Sign In button. After logging in, you will land on the dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar menu, click on Invoice and select any invoice to preview. Here, you'll notice that the Edit button is not visible. This means the sales user cannot make any changes to the invoice. Let's see how to fix this. Go back to the browser and open www.sleekbill.in again. Click on the Login button. Now, log in using the master account email and password and click on the Sign In button. After logging in, you will reach the dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, click on Preferences. Inside Preferences, you will see multiple tabs. Click on the General section. This is where important system settings are managed. Now, find the option called Allow Sales User to Edit Document. Enable this option to give permission to sales users to edit invoices. Scroll down and click on the Save button. That's it. Now, log out and again log in using the sales user credentials. Open any invoice preview and this time you will see the Edit button at the top. Now, the sales user can easily make changes to the invoice without any restrictions. That's how you can allow sales users to edit invoice documents in Sleek Bill. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials. If you enjoyed the video, and share it with others in need. For more videos like this, click the bell icon and subscribe.